You have a problem with the 7-way power line. Sometimes in the new trucks, it's not easy to fix. Well, he did not connect him yet, but the poor guy who came to fix him, the poor guy is extremely overweight, very unhealthy, very unfit, and makes me feel so bad about him. I'm afraid if he falls, he'll be in trouble. And the mosquitoes will not leave us alone. I'm not supposed to bark here. We got 3 circuits to deal with: the brakes, the signals, and the backing. We got trifocal eyeglasses, and you see cannot read the labels of the fuses. I cannot read them with mine either. I have to use a magnifier and 2 glasses. They make the wiring diagram gray, very small, and it takes a lot of effort to even to read it. Year after year they make them smaller and smaller, grayer and grayer. And the new trucks are more complicated than the old ones. Most probably he is going to take all the fuses out to figure which ones is causing the problem. Troubleshooting at night is no fun at all. Yeah, they give you a bag of fuses for you to do the job, but the job is not easy to do. It is all a matter of light, a matter of signaling. You have no signals, you have no lights, you cannot drive a semi. And that poor guy is sleeping here, OTR. We ran out of hours. This is Springville, Utah.